guys, today we are going to start working this page, number 90. So we are going to start with this point. Point number 4, letter A. What time is it? Yes, it is 12 and 5. Good job. Now, together we are going to solve the next exercises. Letter B, what time is it? Yes, 8:30 or 8:30, right? Remember that we say 8:30, 30 minutos después de las 8. Letter C, here, what time is it? It is 9:45. It means 9:45. En inglés no decimos 9:45, sino que decimos 15 minutos para las 10, que en realidad es 9:45. Very good. Now, let's move on to point number 5. Here says subtract. So let's start. May I take 7 from 2? No. So these 2 change to a 12, this one change to a 9, this one change to a 2. ¿Por qué paro hasta acá? Porque yo no sé si voy a necesitar o no voy a necesitar que me presten. Aquí, ¿quién me prestó? Al 2 le prestó el 0. Y para que el 0 pudiera prestar, tuvo que haber pedido al 3. Right? So 12 minus 7, 5. 9 minus 8, 1. 2 minus 9. May I take 9 from 2? No. So these 2 change to a 12 and these 6 change to a 5. 12 minus 9, 3. And 5 minus 1, 4. And remember, place the comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. Let's move on. 9 minus 5, 4. 4 minus 7. May I take 7 from 4? No. So this one changed to a 14. Yes, and this one changed to a 1. And we stop it. Yes? 14 minus 7, 7. 1 minus 8. May I take 8 from 1? No. So this number 1 changed to an 11, and this one changed to a 2. 11 minus 8, 3, and 2 minus 2, 0. Next, let's move on, and we can do it even quickly. Here, 2 minus 8, no. So these 2 changed to a 12, this one changed to a 9, and this one changed to an 8, and we wait. 12 minus 8, 4, 9 minus 0, 9, and 8 minus 8, 0, and here 8 minus 4, 4. And remember, place the comma, 1, 2, 3, comma. Here, remember, I told you in the classroom, yo se los dije en la clase, the first 0 changed to a 10, and the rest of the zeros changed to a 9, and this one changed to a 2. And now we can subtract. 10 minus 6, 4, good job. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 9, 0. And 2 minus 1, 1. And remember to place the comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. Next, 7 minus 5, easy job. 2. 8 minus 6, 2. 3 minus 2, 1. And 9 minus 1, 8. And we place the comma. Yes? Good job. Now let's move on to point number 6. Number 6 says, find the sums. Let's do it. Remember to start by the right hand. Y recuerda empezar por la de mano derecha. 3 minus 5, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. Good job. And I carry 1. Tú debes ir a la par haciéndolo conmigo, right? 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 9, 16. 16 plus 4, 20. 20 plus 8, 28. Good job. Let's move on. Here. 9 plus 2. Let's do it quickly. 11. 11 plus 2, 13. I carry 1. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. Here. 2 plus 7. Quickly. 9. 9 plus 5, 14. I carry 1. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. And 15 plus 9, 24. But be careful right here. Listen up. We got here point, under point, under point. So I need to place that point right here. Ubico el punto debajo de los puntos, mis amores. Right? Now let's move on here. 2 plus 7, 9. Plus 2, 11. I carry 1. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. I carry 1. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. And 16 plus 4, 20. And remember to place the comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. Now, let's move on. Here, I already got the carries. Aquí ya tengo los que llevamos. Let's check it. 2 plus 8, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. I carry 1. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. 17 plus 2, 19. I carry 1. You see? 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 9, 14. And 14 plus 3, 17. Good job. I carry 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 8, 11. 11 plus 9, 20. And I carry 2. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 4, 15. And remember to place the comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. Good job. Let's move on. 8 plus 9, 17 plus 1, 18. Plus 4, 22. And I carry 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Can you see it? Right. Let's move on to the point number 7. Now, number 7, we are going to multiply carefully, right? Remember to start with the right hand. This one, not this one, by this one. Con la derecha. Let's start. 5 multiplied by 2, 10. I carry 1. 5 multiplied by 3, 15. Plus 1, 16. And I carry 1. 5 multiplied by 4, 20. Plus 1, 21. Place the comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. Let's move on. 6 multiplied by 2, 12. I carry 1. 6 multiplied by 3, 18. Plus 1, 19. I carry 1. 6 multiplied by 0, 0. Good job. Plus 1, 1. And 6 multiplied by 6, 36. Remember to place the comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. Good job. Next, 3 multiplied by 9, 27. I carry 2. 3 multiplied by 0, 0. Plus 2, 2. 3 multiplied by 7, 21. I carry 2. And 3 multiplied by 2, 6. Plus 2, 8. And I will place the comma. Let's move on. Letter D. 4 multiplied by 1, 4. Easy job. 4 multiplied by 9, 36. And I carry 3. 4 multiplied by 5, 20. Plus 3, 23. And I carry 2. And 4 multiplied by 8, 32. Plus 2, 34. Good job. And I will place the comma. Next, 6 multiplied by 9, 54. And I carry 5. 6 multiplied by 2, 12. Plus 5, 17. And I carry 1. 6 multiplied by 3, 18. Plus 1, 19. And I carry 1. 6 multiplied by 7, 42. And 42 plus 1, 43. I will place the comma. Here, now we are going to move to the point number 8. And here says, write the missing terms. Right? So here you need to find which number can you put or can we place in the blank space. Right? So let's start. Yes, the letter A, and I'm going to move a little bit this book, and now you can see everything. So now 0 multiplied by 6, 0. Letter B. 1 multiplied by gives me 6. 6. Easy job. Give me a number that multiplied by 6 gives me 12. Which is the number here? 2. 6 multiplied by 2, 12. Here, 6 multiplied by gives me 18. Which is the missing number? 3. Good job. Next, 4 multiplied by 6. Easy, easy, easy. 24. Next, 5 multiplied by gives me 30. 6. Good job. 6 multiplied by gives me 36. Which is the missing number? 6. 7 multiplied by 6. Let's think about it. It is 42. Next, 6 multiplied by gives me 48. Which is the number? Which is the missing number? 8. Good job. Next, 6 multiplied by 5. 54. Easy. 10 multiplied by gives me 60. Which is the missing number? 6. Next, 11 multiplied by gives me 66. Which is the number? 6. And this one, 12 multiplied by 6. How much is it? It will be 72. So how do you know to get the answer? You can multiply here in this way. 6 multiplied by 2, 12, and I carry 1. 6 multiplied by 1, 6, plus 1, 72. So the answer will be 72. Right? Let's move on to the page number 91. We got it here. So we are going to start by explaining this first topic. Here says symbols for greater than, less than, and equals. Guys, here we are going to speak about this symbol. Do you remember? The open mouth goes for the greater number, and the closed mouth goes to the less number or la smaller number. Boquita abierta para el grande, boquita cerrada para el pequeño. ¿Y el igual cómo sería? Igual. ¿Listo? So, now we are going to start. Here says class practice. Point number 1. Fill in the blanks with less, greater, or equal, right? So now let's move on. Let's start. Letter A. Which one is greater? 9 or 6? 9. Here. Oh, here it is important that you can solve this multiplication right here to know if this one is greater or less than 18. Primero vamos a resolver esto que tenemos acá para poder saber si esto que tengo acá es más grande, es más pequeño o es igual a este 18. So, 9 multiplied by 2, 18. So, 18 and 18, they are equals, right? Letter C. Which one is greater, 5 or 7? 7. So, I'm going to put the open mouth to the number 7. Here, 4 minus 3, it will be 1. And 14 multiplied by 0, 0. So, which one is greater, 1 or 0? 1. So I will put the open mouth to 4 minus 3. Here, 9 plus 2, 11. And 8 plus 5, 13. Now we can decide which one is greater. In this case, it is 13. So I will open the mouth to this one. Letter F, 19 minus 9, 10. And 10. So what happened here? They are equals. Can you see it? Let's move on. Letter G. 14 minus 8 minus 6, 8. And 2 multiplied by 3, 6. Which one is greater, 8 or 6? 8. So open mouth to letter 8. Here, 3 plus 49, it is 52. And 94 plus 2, it is 96. Which one is greater? Yes, 96. So open mouth to 96. 36 divided 3, it is 12. And 4 multiplied by 3, 12. Oh, look at here. What happened here? They are equals. Can you see it? And the last one, letter G, here says 6 multiplied by 3, 18. And 18 obviously is greater than 17, so you will place the open mouth to 18. right? Let's move on to the point number 2. Solve these story problems. Yes? So here it says, I'm going to move just the book a little bit. Letter A says, the second grade sold 340 tickets for the school play. The third grade sold 728 tickets. The fourth grade sold 659 tickets. And the fifth grade sold 500 tickets. How many tickets were sold in all? Guys, here, it is important that you check these two words. In all always is going to mean at. In all means en total. So when you got in all or en total, what do you have to do? You need to add. Yes? But what are we going to add? We are going to add all the digits that we had right here. Vamos a sumar todos los dígitos que nos dieron acá. Which one do we have? We have 340. We have 728. We have 659 and 500. And we are going to add. Yes? So 8 plus 9, 17. I carry 1. 1 plus 4, 5. Plus 2, 7. Plus 5, 12. And I carry 1. 1 plus 3, 4. Plus 7, 11. Plus 6, 17. Plus 5, 22. Good job. And I will place the comma. So we can say, in all, en total, they have 2,227 what? Tickets. Can you see it? Tickets. Right. Let's move on to the letter B. In letter B, we says, Sam collect 34 stamps in April, 22 stamps in June, 48 stamps in August, and only 50 stamps in October. How many stamps did he collect in all? Again, we have here in all. So what do we have to do? Add. But what are we going to add? ¿Qué es lo que vamos a sumar? Here, we're going to add 34, 22, 48, and 15. Son todas las estampillas, ¿cierto? Que Sam recolectó en los diferentes meses. 34 en abril, 22 en junio, 48 en agosto y 15 en octubre. Él quiere saber cuántas recolectó en total. So we are going to add 34, 22, 48, and 15. And we are going to add right here. 4 plus 2, 6. Plus 8, 14. Plus 5, 19. And I carry 1. 1 plus 3, 4. Plus 2, 6. Plus 4, 10. And plus 1, 11. Easy or difficult? Easy job. Now let's move on to point number 3. And we are going to move the book just a little bit. And we are going to divide. So let's start. Remember, how many digits do I have here? 1. So I'm going to take 1. Guys, may I find 3 in 2? ¿Puedo encontrar el 3 o el 3 me cabe dentro del 2? No. So what do I have to say? Hey, come here and work with me. So now it is 25. How many times may I find 3 in 25? 8. 3 multiplied by 8, 24. 25 minus 24, 1. What happened next? Bring down. How many times may I find 3 in 13? 4. So 4 multiplied by 3, 12. 13 minus 12, 1. What happened next? Bring down. Here, how many times may I find 3 in 11? So 3 times. 3 multiplied by 3, 9. 11 minus 9, 2. So we got remainder 2. This is the answer. 843, remainder 2. Let's move on to the next one. Letter B. How many digits do I have here? 1. So I'm going to take 1. May I find 6 in 4? No. So what do I have to say? Hey, come here and work with me. 0, come here. So now it is 40. How many times may I find 6 in 40? 6. 6 multiplied by 6, 36. 40 minus 36, 4. What happened next? Bring down. How many times may I find 6 in 47? So you need to check your table multiplication. It will be 6 multiplied by 7. 7 multiplied by 6, 42. 47 minus 42, 5. What happened next? Bring down. How many times do you think we can find 6 in 57? Let's think about it. How many times? 9. Good job. So 9 multiplied by 6, 54. And 57 minus 54, it is 3. So we have remainder 3. Can you see it? Very good. Let's move on to the letter C. How many digits do I have here? 1. So I'm going to take 1. How many times may I find 48? 2. 4 multiplied by 2, 8. 8 minus 8, 0. What happened next? Bring down. How many times may I find 47? 1. 4 multiplied by 1, 4. 7 minus 4, 3. What happened next? Bring down. How many times may I find 4 in 32? How many times? Yes, 8. 8 multiplied by 4, 32. 32 minus 32, 0. And what happened next? Bring down. Number 1. May I find 4 in 1? No. So I will write down here a 0. Yes. And we have this reminder. The reminder will be 1. Easy or difficult? Let's move on now to the page number 92. In this page, you need to work at home, right? But listen up. I'm just going to help you with the point number 4, with the point number 4 and the point number 8. We are going to do it here, and the rest of the point you are going to do it at home. So here, circle the wrong products. Chicos, ¿qué acabo de decir? Voy a ayudarles con el punto número 4 y el punto número 8. El resto, el 5, el 6 y 7, lo vamos a hacer en la casa. ¿Listo? Point number 4. We have circle the wrong products. 6 multiplied by 3, 18. It is okay. 9 multiplied by 6. How much is 9 multiplied by 6? It is 54. And here says 45. So it is wrong. So circle it. Here with me. 2 multiplied by 11. Yes, 22. It is okay. 9 multiplied by 4. 36. And this one here says that is 35. So it is wrong. 6 multiplied by 5. 30. Good job. 4 multiplied by 5. 20. It's okay as well. Here, 8 multiplied by 3. 32. How much is 8 multiplied by 3? 24. Yes, so this one is wrong. Boo. Here, 11 multiplied by 3. It will be 33. So, and here says 31. So it is wrong. Boo. It doesn't work. Here, 8 multiplied by 5. 40. Excellent. So this one is okay. Next, 6 multiplied by 6. 36. Okay again. And here, 8 multiplied by 4. 30. Is it the correct answer? Let's check it. 8 multiplied by 4 is 32. So this one is wrong. Boo. It doesn't work. And the last one, 12 multiplied by 3. It is 24. No, it is 36. So this one is wrong. Right? Now, let's move on to the point number 8 here. Remember that we are in page number 92. Point number 8. Write the 6 multiplication table backward, starting with 12 multiplied by 6 equals 72. Backward means hacia atrás. Vámonos en la tabla de multiplicación del 6 hacia atrás. ¿Y ellos empezaron con cuál? 12 multiplied by 6 with the number 12. So the next one will be 11 multiplied by 6. The next one, 10 multiplied by 6, it is 60. The next one, 9 multiplied by 6, 54. The next one, 8 multiplied by 6, 48. Which is the next one, 7 multiplied by 6, 42. The next one, 6 multiplied by 6, 36. The next one, 5 multiplied by 6, 30. The next one, 4 multiplied by 6, 24. The next one, 3 multiplied by 6, 18. The next one, 2 multiplied by 6, 12. Ya estamos llegando. The next one, 1 multiplied by 6, 6. And which is the next one? 0. 0 multiplied by 6, 0. Easy job. Now, let's move on to the page number 93. So we are going to here says 6 as a divisor. When I'm going to divide by 6. Yes, cuando lo voy a dividir en 6. So here we are going to start with the point number 1. Here says write the quotients. Do you remember what is a quotient? The quotient is the answer of the division. O sea, es la respuesta de la división. No se le llama y la respuesta es no. The quotient is. So here, 0 dividing 6, 0. 6 dividing 6, 1. 12 dividing 6, o sea, ¿cuántas veces me cabe el 6 en el 12? Ya sabemos que 2, porque 6 por 2, 12. 18 dividing 6, 3. How many times may you find 6 in 18? 3. How many times may you find 6 in 24? 4. How many times may you find 6 in 30? 5. How many times may you find 6 in 36? 6. How many times may you find 6 in 42? 7. How many times may you find 6 in 8? 8. 6 in 48, 8. How many times may you find 6 in 59, in 54? 9. How many times may you find 6 in 60? 10. And how many times may you find 6 in 66? 11. Can you see it? Very good. Next, point number 2. Fill in the blanks with greater, smaller, or equal. So we are going to do the next exercise. Here, 6 plus 4, 10. So which one is greater, 10 or 9? 10. So open mouth to number 10. B, 16 minus 8, 8. Which one is greater, 8 or 7? 8. So open mouth to number 8. 4 multiplied by 2, 8. Which one is greater, 8 or 12? 12. Here, 9 multiplied by 4. Oh my goodness, 36. 36 and 36, they are equals. 16 minus 2, 14. Which one is greater, 14 or 17? 17. 36 dividing 3. Oh, Jesus, it is 12. Which one is greater, 12 or 25? 25. Good job. 203 or 193 plus 8. So let's add. 193 plus 8, how much is it? 201. So which one is greater, 203 or 201? 203. Next, 21 or 6 plus 9? 6 plus 9, 15. Which one is greater, 21 or 15? 15. So open mouth to 21. Yes, here, Point number 3. Solve these story problems. Tim had 150 marbles but gave 33 of them to a friend. How many does he have left? Listen up, guys. Have left significa cuánto le sobró. Si me dicen que cuánto le sobró, ¿qué tengo que hacer? Yes, I need to subtract. Yes? Porque ¿qué dice? Tim le dio 150 canicas, perdón, Tim tenía 150 canicas, pero le dio 37 de ellas a un amigo. ¿Cuántas le quedó? So what do we have to do? 150, and remember to place the 37. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. 37 lo ubicamos, el 7 con las unidades con el 0, el 3 con las decenas con el 5. Aquí no hay centenas, por eso quedó vacío. May I take, remember we are going to subtract. May I take 7 from 0? No, so this 0 changed to a 10 and this one changed to a 4. 10 minus 7, how much is it? 3. 4 minus 3, 1. And 1 minus 0, 1. Entonces, ¿cuántas le quedó? 113. And let's move on to the next one. Here we have this one. Yes? Emily and Chris are going to the city to visit a friend. They live 65 miles from the city. They have gone 42 miles already. How many more miles do they have to travel? ¿Qué dice acá? Emily y Chris están yendo a la ciudad a visitar a un amigo. Ellos viven 65 millas de la ciudad. Esa es la distancia. Pero ellos ya han recorrido 42 millas. ¿Cuántas millas de más ellos tienen que viajar? How many more significa que debes restar, subtract. How many more, no te confundas por la palabra more. No es que digamos, como dice more es más. No. How many more, ¿cuánto de más? De lo que ya recorrió, ¿cuánto de más? O ¿cuánto le hace falta? So, you need to write 65 minus 42. 5 minus 2, 3. And 6 minus 4, 2. ¿Cuántas millas entonces le hace falta? 23 miles, right? So thank you too much. This is our class for this time. Goodbye, guys.